Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet Suburban LTZ 1500. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.